Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Now, so in the previous session we discussed Arnstein table and as well as school magazine. Even we can discuss we discussed about Sleeping Beauty also. Clear? So now today we are going to move the next concept in the same lesson, that is Kirti's shopping list. Clear? All of you open page number 69. In that, see this here, it is a Kirti shopping list. This is yellow color. I wrote on the board also. So here it is a board. Look at the yellow price list. This is the price list in a vegetable market. Right? So Kirti bought some potatoes and as well as tomatoes and as well as carrot and God also she bought. So she bought some cages. How much the cost for total we need to find out. That means bill we need to find out. Clear, my dears? So all of you observe that. So here I am going to read out that item and the price in rupees. Clear? See this here. So this is a price list they kept in a vegetable market. Clear? So here it is a item. Another price in rupees per kg. For 1 kg, okay, tomatoes, potatoes, onion, carrot and gourd. So tomatoes per 1 kg 12 rupees, potato 10 rupees per kg, onion 16 rupees per kg and carrot 18 rupees per kg and gourd 8 rupees per kg. That is the price list in the shopping. I mean to say that in the vegetable market. So here they given some questions. We need to find out the answers. Now first one in this. First one is, how much does 2 kg of tomato cost? How much does 2 kg of tomato cost? Now see this here. If 1 kg is equal to 12 rupees, then 2 kg is equal to how much? What you are going to do here? We need to add or multiply. Clear? So 1 kg equal to 12 rupees. Then 2 kg equal to how much? 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Or you can multiply with 2 into 12, you will get 24. Clear, my dears? So here, so solution. So now here cost of 1 kg tomato is equal to how much it is? 1 kg tomato is equal to rupees 12. Now cost of 2 kg tomato. 2 kg tomato. See this here. 2 kg tomatoes is equal to, that is 2 into 12, which is equal to 24. That is rupees 24. Clear, my dears? Right? Now in the second question, so here B1, what is the cost of the given that how much does half kg tomato cost? How much does, second one is, how much does 1 by 2 kg of tomato? 1 by 2 means nothing but how much? What is the meaning of 1 by 2? It is half kg. Clear? It is half kg. 1 by 2 tomato. 1 by 2 kg of tomatoes, nothing but half kg. Clear? So here again 1 kg equal to 12 rupees. Then half kg equal to how much? We need to half of the 12 rupees. What is half of the 12 rupees? Yes, yesterday we discussed regarding 12 months. Clear? Half year equal to 6 months. Here also same thing. So here 1 kg equal to 12 rupees. Then half kg is equal to how much? 6 rupees. Yes, sir. So write down here. Cost of 1 kg tomato is equal to rupees 12. Then cost of half kg tomato is equal to, here see this here, 1 by 2 into 12. So 2 ones are 2 6 you will get rupees 6. Clear? Or you can divide it. If you are getting any confusion in cancellation, you should divide So here that is 12 divided by 1 by 2, which is equal to, see this here, 12 when you divide with 2, you will get 2 6 are 12 will be cancelled. Clear? 0. So 12 divided by 1 by 2, which is nothing but 12 by 2. Okay, 12 by, sorry, it is multiply. Sorry, my dears, it is multiply. 12 into 1 by 2, which is implies 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6 rupees. Clear, my dears? So half kg tomato equal to how much? Half kg tomato is equal to rupees 6. Now CBT can find out. Clear? What is the cost of? Kiran wants to buy 2.5 kg of tomato. How much will it cost? CBT is the homework. Now coming to the potatoes. D1, how much does 3.5 kg tomato cost? Clear, my dears? Did you understand this? Right. So now let us find out D bit potatoes. Okay, here how much does cost of 3.5 kg potatoes? Now here see the list here. What is the potatoes 1 kg? The cost of 1 kg potatoes equal to how much? Yes, it is 10 rupees. Now they are asking that 3.5 kg. For 3 kg, for 2 kg how much it is? For 2 kg it will become 20. For 3 kg it will become 30. For half kg is how much? Yes, yes. Very good, my dears. Now D bit. Now see this here. How much does 3.5 kg potato cost? Clear? 3.5 kg potato cost. Now solution. Now observe the price list here. See, potatoes is how much? Rupees 10 rupee. So cost of 1 kg potato is equal to, that is rupees 10. Clear? Now the cost of 3.5 kg potato is equal to, see this here, is equal to how much? Clear? So 3.5 kg is nothing but I am going to write 1 kg plus 1 kg plus 1 kg plus half kg. Clear? Like this. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 plus half is 3.5. Is this clear, my dears? So now here 1 kg is equal to how much? This is one more way to find out the cost of all these. Now this is to rupees 10. Half kg equal to how much? Half of the 10 rupees equal to 5 rupees, which is equal to, this is rupees 35. Okay, so therefore cost of 3.5 kg potatoes is equal to rupees 35. You can find out like this also. Is this clear, my dears? Now coming to the EBIT. What is the price of half kg carrot? What is the price of what is the price of 1 by 4 kg of carrot? 1 by 4. Now see this here. Even. So what is the cost of 1 by 4 kg of carrot? Clear? Now look at the price list. Carrot is equal to how much? 1 kg equal to 18 rupees. Here they are asking 1 by 4. Now what is 1 by 4? 1 by 4 is nothing but, yesterday we discussed already, 1 by 4 is nothing but, in the previous class we discussed 1 by 4 is nothing but quarter. Clear? 1/4 part. That means you need to divide this 18 rupees into 4 equal parts. In that one part is equal to 1 by 4 kg. Clear, my dears? So now here solution, cost of 1 kg carrot is equal to, which is equal to rupees 18. Now we need to find out 1 by 4 kg. Now cost of 1 by 4 kg is equal to 1 by 4 kg carrot is equal to. Clear? So now here what is the first of all you need to find out 18 1 by 4 into 18. So we need to divide 18 with 4. Clear? So we should divide 18 with 4. How much you are going to get? Now see this here. I am going to divide 18 with 4. Right? So this can be written as which is equal to 18 divided by 4 also. Clear? So 4 4 is 16. This will be 2 is the remainder. Now, so 2 is nothing but so for 1 by 4 it will become 4 rupee 25 paisa. Clear? Or 4 rupee 50 paisa. Sorry, 4 rupee 50 paisa. So here you will get a little bit confusion. Now I am going to give a small easy how to find the easy method. Now see this here. In 18 rupees, I am going to here. In 18 rupees, what is half of the 18? What is half of the 18? See, half 1 by 2 into 18 is equal to 9 rupee. Clear? Rupees 9. Again in 9 you need to find out half. 1 by 2 of 9 is equal to what is the half of the 9 rupees? In 9 rupees, what is the half? Or in 90 rupees, what is half? 45. So that is rupees 4.50. Clear? So here, which is equal to rupees 4.50. This is 1 by 4th of kg. But they are asking total. So now the total cost of 1 by 4 kg carrot is equal to, which is equal to, that is 18 plus 4.50, which is equal to 18 plus 4 equal to how much? 22. So rupees 22.50. This is the carrot cost. Clear? You just apply to yourself in your daily life. You can understand easily. Is it clear, my dears? So now let us move to the question number F. He bought a gourd of weight 4 3 by 4 kg and it cost is clear. So now let us move to the question number F. Did you understand this, my dears? Clear? Right? So very good. Now let us move to the question number F. Here gourd. Okay, he bought 4 3 by 4 kg of gourd. So what is the gourd? Now see, this is the cost of 1 kg gourd is equal to how much? Rupees 8. So 2 kg equal to how much? Yes, 16. 3 kg equal to how much? 3 8 ja, you just multiply or add 8 3 times. 8 3 is 24. Then what about 4 kg? 4 kg is equal to 4 kg of gourd is equal to how much? That is 32 rupees. Then what is 3 by 4? What is 3 by 4? That we are going to find out here. See this here. F. So he bought a gourd of a gourd of that is 4 gourd of weight 4 3 by 4 kg. 4 3 by 4 kg and it costs is equal to how much? Right? So see this here, my dears. Now, so cost of 1 kg gourd is equal to 1 kg gourd is equal to how much? That is rupees 8 only. Now we need to find out cost of 4 3 by 4 kg gourd. So now see this here. This is equal to how much? Now this I am going to write, see this here, 4 3 by 4 I am going to write 1 kg plus 1 kg plus 1 kg plus 1 kg plus 3 by 4 kg. What is the mean by 3 by 4 kg? What is 3 by 4th of kg? That is 3 quarters. Clear? So 8 you should divide into 4 equal parts. If you divide 8 into 4 equal parts, each part is equal to 2 rupees. Clear, my dears? Each part equal to 2 rupees. Then I want to get 3 parts. So 1 part equal to 2 rupees. Then 3 parts equal to how much? 3 2s are 6 rupees. Is this clear, my dears? So now here I am going to find out 3 by 4 of 8 is equal to 3 by 4 of 8 is equal to how much it is. Now see this 8 I am going to separate into 4 parts. Now think that this total is 8. Yeah, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. Okay? This is 1 by 4th part, 1 by 4th part, 1 by 4th part, 1 by 4th part. Clear, my dears? So by adding these three, you will get, that is 6 rupees. Clear, my dears? So which is equal to 6 rupees. Now 1 kg equal to 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 3 by 4 of kg equal to 6. Is this clear, my dears? Or you can find out here also. 3 by 4 into 8. 4 1s are 4 2s are 3 2s are 6. You can find out like this also. You can find out like this or like this. Your wish, whichever is easy, whichever is comfort, you can feel it is very easy. You can do it. Right? So 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 6 equal to how much? So 8, 8, 8, 8 and 6. By adding all these, 32 plus 6 is 38. Clear, my dears? So here it is rupees 38. So therefore, cost of 4 3 by 4 kg of gourd is equal to rupees 38. Is this clear, my dears? Did you understand that? No. Is this clear? So now here the question number 3. Look at the shopping list in Kirti's hand. Here it is a one blue color is there. See this here, this is a blue color. Clear? This is Kirti hand. Okay? She has this list. Clear? So she bought potato is 2 1 by 4 kg, carrot is 3 by 4 kg, and gourd is 1 by 2 kg. Clear? 1.5 kg. So now they are asking that look at the shopping list in Kirti's hand. How much will she have to pay to buy all these items? So you need to find out for these three, potato, carrot and gourd. Price list is here in yellow color and Kirti's list is in blue color. You please find out all these cost and find the total bill. And as well as here one more question. So H1 is make a bill of your own for vegetables you want to buy. Find the total money you will have to pay. For the same price list, you please write your own, means you can find out what are the vegetables you are going to buy from these list. Clear? Out of these 5 lists, you please write whatever you want. Clear? Tomatoes, potatoes, onions and carrot. Clear? Take any 4 and you prepare your own list. Own bill also, like this Kirti's hand. Clear? Like this, you can take any 4 items, okay, prices, or you can take your own price also. Other than this also, you can take your own price also. You can take this price also, nothing will happen, or you can take your own price also. Clear? Nowadays the cost is high if you compare this one. Okay, take a different cost of the different items. Okay, how much you are going to find out, but amount and total bill also you can find out. This is your homework. Is this clear, my dears? Right. Clear? You please copy this. Right? Right, children. So see this here, practice time, in the page number 70, we are going to discuss some questions. Now, see first question, Rahim's journey. Now, one of your friend Rahim, in your class only, one of friend is there, Rahim. Okay? The question is, Rahim has to travel 1 by 4 kilometer to reach school. Okay? From his house to school, the distance between these two is equal to 1 by 4 kilometer. So most of our school also, your friends also are coming from outside to, okay, they are coming from long distance also. In that, one of the friend Rahim, he traveled from his home to school 1 by 4 kilometer. So what is the distance between his Rahim's house to school is 1 by 4 kilometer. Now, what distance does he travel to go to school and come back home? So how much distance he will travel to go to school and as well as come back to home? That means how many times he will travel? 2 times. So morning he is going to school, that is 1 time. So you can travel 1 by 4 kilometer in the morning. Again after school close, he will come back to home. Again 1 time, he will back from school to home, the same distance. Clear? From home to school or school to home, same distance. So morning 1 time, evening 1 time. So totally 2 times he will travel. This is the distance. Clear? So total distance they are asking. How much distance he will travel to go to school and come back to home. Clear? So now, First of all, so given the distance between the distance between home to school is equal to how much it is? 1 by 4 kilometer. 1 by 4 kilometer. So Rahim travel daily 2 times. Morning he will go to school and evening he come back to home. So 2 times. So now Rahim travel 2 times daily. 2 times daily. That is equal to, so 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 2 times. So morning and evening. You can add these two. Clear? So did you observe here both are mixed fractions? In the last year we discussed mixed fractions, how to convert into improper fractions. Clear? So now I am going to convert to improper fractions, which is equal to. Now see this here. 1 by 4. First of all, you should multiply denominator part into this one. Okay? 4 into 1 and add the numerator plus 1 by denominator 4, which is equal to 4 1 the 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 5 by 4. Clear, my dears? 5 by 4. So this will become 5 by 4 and as well as this also 5 by 4, which is equal to. See, observe these two. Both are like fractions. Both are 4 only denominator part. Both are 4 is same only. So it is a like fractions. Clear? Add the numerators directly. So 5 plus 5, which is equal to 10 by 4. What is 10 by 4? Again convert into mixed fraction. So now 10 by 4, if you divide 10 by 4. Clear? So if you divide 10 by 4, I am going to do here. Now 4, when you divide with 4 to the 8, so remainder will be 2. So clear? So 10 by 4 I am going to write here. So you will travel is equal to 10 by 4, which is equal to 2, that is a 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is nothing but 2 ones are 2 2s are. Clear? So therefore you will travel, which implies I am going to write here. So therefore Rahim will travel okay, daily 1 by 2 kilometers. Is this clear, my dears? Is this clear? Or you can add 1 plus 1 is 2, and as 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Clear? So daily he will travel morning 1 by 4 kilometer, and evening also he will travel 1 by 4 kilometer to reach his home. So totally 2 times he will travel in daily. So Rahim travel 2 times daily. That is 1 by 4 in the morning and 1 by 4 in the evening. So convert into improper fractions. Then add like fractions. You will get the fraction. Again it convert into mixed fraction because they given question in terms of mixed fraction. So now which is equal to 1 by 2 kilometers. Is this clear, my dears? Did you understand that? Very good. Note on this. Now, children, see this here. What coins? Second question. I am going to read the question. Listen carefully. Lata bought a pencil and a pen. She bought what? Pencil and pen. One pencil, one pen. For 7.5 rupee. For 7.5 rupee, she bought a pencil and a pen. She gave rupees 10 to the shopkeeper and gave back the money in half and a quarter rupees. What are the coins she got? Did you understand the question? Here, look at here everyone. Lata went to shop and she bought a pencil and a pen for 7.5 rupee. Okay, she don't have change, she has only 10 rupee note. So she gave to shopkeeper 10 rupee note, and he got and shopkeeper gave back money in half and quarter rupees only. Half rupee and quarter rupee. What is mean by half rupee? What is mean by quarter rupee? In the previous session already we discussed rupees and coins. Clear? So in 1 rupee there are 250 paise. Clear? That is half rupee. Half rupee is equal to 50 paise and the last quarter rupee is equal to 25 paise. Clear? First of all, out of 10 rupee, how much here? 7.5 we need to subtract. So when we subtract 7.5 rupee from 10 rupee, how much we will get the back? Okay? In that amount, all are 50 rupee, 50 paise coins as well as 25 paise coins. Half rupee is nothing but 50 paise, quarter rupee is nothing but 25 paise. Clear? Keep in mind how many, what are the coins she got. Clear? That we are going to find out. Solution. So total cost of pencil and pen is equal to 7.5 rupees. That means 7 1/2 rupees. Clear? And Lata gave to shopkeeper. What is that? How much she gave? Rupees 10. Okay? How much amount left with or amount back? Money that Lata got money from shopkeeper. Return. Okay? From shopkeeper, which is equal to rupees 10 total cost minus, that is rupees, this can be written as rupees 7.50 also. Clear? I am going to write in terms of paise also. 7 rupee 50 paise. When we subtract 10.00, 7.50, when we subtract 0, this will be 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. This will be 9. This will be 0. 9 minus 1 is 2. So 2 rupee 50 paise. So rupees 2.50 is left. Clear? This she got in terms of half and quarter. Clear? So now in totally, so now we are going to find out. See this here. So which is implies now. So she got rupees 2.50. Clear? In this, how many 50 coins are there? Now in 1 rupee you have two 50 paise coins are there. In 1 rupee you have two 50 paise coins. In 2 rupees how many coins are there? 4 50 paise coins. Here already 1 50 paise coin. Totally 5 50 paise coins or 5 half rupee coins. Otherwise you can take this 50 also in terms of quarter also. Clear? Now see this here. In rupees 2 we have 4 half rupees plus in rupees 0.50 we have 2 quarter rupee. Clear? Right? Is this clear, my dears? Clear? So totally Lata got how many coins this year? What are the coins she got? That is 4 plus 2. Totally she got 6 coins, which are 4 are half rupee coins and 2 are quarter rupee coins. Clear? Half rupee is nothing but 50 paise and the last quarter is nothing but 25 paise. Is this clear, my dears? Clear? Lata got totally 6 coins. In that 4 are 50 paise and 2 are 25 paise coins. What are the coins? That is 50 paise coins and the less 25 paise coins. Here I am going to write here. You get clarity. 6 coins. In that I am going to erase this one. Totally she got 6 coins out of 6 coins. So out of 6 coins. Now look at here, everyone. So totally, so now out of 6 coins, 4 coins are 50 paise coins and 2 coins are 4 coins are here. and 2 coins are 25 paise. 25 paise coins. This is clear, my dears? Okay. So keep it in mind, half rupee is equal to 50 paise, quarter rupee is equal to 25 paise. You please note down this. Clear, my dears? Right, children. I hope you understood that today whatever we discussed. Okay, price list, keep this price list, and as well as Rahim's journey and what coins are there. So here is today's homework, page number 69 and 70. First question is keep this price list. In that C question, G question, and a H question. And in the next page, page number 70, at the railway station. Clear? A, B, C. You please read that question. You can able to understand easily and complete this homework in your classwork and forward to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a nice day.